Let's start the recipe. So first we need 500 grams of shredded carrots. Add 1 liter of milk to the pan. Bring it to a boil. Add 500 grams of shredded carrots. Mix it well and bring it to boil. Cook around 50 minutes on medium-low heat and stir occasionally. When it starts sticking to the pan, it's time to take it out. At this point, if we make a big batch, we can transfer it to the freezer bags after it comes to room temperature. It can be freeze up to around 1 month. Then, whenever we need, just proceed to final step. Add half cup of butter or ghee. Add to 2 for cardamoms. Now add carrots which we already cooked with milk. More butter can be added if you like. Now we will sauté it for 15 to 20 minutes until you see the butter is oozing out. Now add 1/4 cup of sugar. Sauté it for 15 more minutes till the sugar melts completely and liquid evaporates. Add 3 tablespoons of mixed nuts, 1/2 teaspoons of cardamom powder, and 2 teaspoons of desiccated coconut. Add 1/4 teaspoon of rose water. Add 1/2 cup of milk solid cut into small chunks. Adjust the sugar and milk solid according to desired taste. Delicious carrot dessert is ready to serve. Like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.